Let's do a skincare routine featuring the Hello Glow Soothing Gels. First, I tone my face with a toner. And then, I use my favorite serum. After that, I apply the Tea Tree with Aloe Vera Serum Soothing Gel. Ito na yung soothing gel, guys. And ganyan kadami yung kinukuha kong product to apply on my face. Kasi, okay lang siya kahit makapal. Kasi hindi naman siya malagkit. Sobrang soothing niya talaga sa skin. As you can see, mga marks na lang yan, guys. Kasi napakalm na nung soothing gel, yung Tea Tree soothing gel, yung skin natin. Don't forget to also include your neck sa lalagyan nyo. What you see on my skin right now is mga marks na lang kasi napakalm na netong Tea Tree soothing gel yung skin ko nung nag-breakout talaga ako. So, yan na lang yung wina-work on ko ngayon. And perfect din to if you want to strengthen your skin barrier. They also have this collagen serum soothing gel which has collagen, hyaluronic acid, and bakuchiol. Okay na okay to if you want to rejuvenate your skin and if gusto mo na super ma-hydrate talaga yung balat mo. This improves the skin's firmness and nakaka-supple and plump din siya ng skin. Dahil sa both soothing gels is pwede nyo rin gamitin for daytime since hindi nga siya malagkit and lightweight lang po siya sa face. Pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin before makeup to moisturize your skin. Both soothing gels are now available on leading stores nationwide, so make sure to check it out.